Sanity.io is a content management system, that is a CMS. While you are building a web application, it makes your work around more than 50% easier by taking away all that headache related to the content management part. With this video, we are starting a series on Sanity.io. We will dive deep into all of its concepts and understand it thoroughly. And we will also see how you can connect it with a Next.js application very easily. So let's go to the screen. So here we are on the Sanity.io website. So you can clearly see that make content your competitive advantage is the tagline. And over here we have this command. By this we can install the Sanity.io on our application. So you also will need an account to actually associate with it. So you need to do the get started, and it will then ask you about certain things like you will need to create an account either with the Google or GitHub or with your email. So with this account they will put you on the free plan, and there are different plans available out there. And if you are a business and you have the scaling capacity, then I will recommend you to have the growth or enterprise plan accordingly. But if you are just doing it for the learning purpose, then free plan is also fine. And now you need to just go on the get started, and you need to run it with the Google account. So once you have logged in with the account, it will ask you certain things like the purpose you are using it for. You can give it a name also, and then create project. It will also ask you the languages or the technologies you are going to work on, and you can do no, I'm starting from scratch. And post this, it will be creating the application for you. And now if I again go back to the site, you can see here I have logged in, and if I go to this, I am logged in and I have one project already created. So I can go on to the manage project, and here I can see I'm on growth trial period for some time. I have currently I have one project, but inside that project I have nothing inside that. So I have this project, but there is no document or overview, anything inside it. You can also see the kind of usage that we have, like documents. Document refers to the number of like the content that we are keeping. So suppose you have 10 blocks, so that will be as 10 documents. Then we have the bandwidth here, that 100 GB storage, the API request that we can make, the assets like the amount of data that we can keep, data sets and how many users. So and also the API CDN requests. So this is basically how it is there. And now in order to initialize your project, if I want to initialize it instantly, so you just need to copy this command and paste it onto the terminal of your directory, and it will create the project for you very easily. And now it is going to take a bit of time, but it will create that project for you. Now after your project is created, it will look something like this. So we have this particular structure over there. We have the config files here, the details like the ID of your project is there, and the database ID that is there. We have package.json with all the dependencies that we have, and then we have schema types where we will actually be keeping that structure over there. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. In the next video, we will check another topic related to Sanity.io. Thank you for watching.